I've been studying a lot of tech lately, and after several hours, my brain just gets tired. More than that, all four of my eyes get tired. And so I realized decompression is part of the process. Just like when you lift weights and you have to take rest and recovery days so your muscles can grow, that's what decompressing does. So let me show you how I decompress without screens. I got packaged. Oh, yeah. Okay, this is called diamond painting. If you've never heard of that, it's okay. I never heard of it either until last year. I was walking around in the mall and I saw this kiosk, and this girl was selling these little canvases with paint kits. And it was like paint by number. And there were different characters like SpongeBob, Stitch, things like that. And I bought a bunch because I couldn't decide which one I wanted. And part of the, she had just a few, she had a bunch of characters for the paint by number, and she had just a few of diamond paintings. So I got one and I loved it so much. I did a bunch last year, but then I haven't done it since probably like mid last year. I haven't done it. And I realized today, like, oh no, I need to get back into this because it's, oh, take this off. I need to get back into diamond painting because it's fun for me. It relaxes me. When I am placing the diamonds, my brain is quiet and I can get lost in it for 3 to 4 hours at a time. Okay, so this is, isn't that cute? Okay, okay, okay. These are the new ones I got. Oh my gosh. So cute. And what it looks like, Hello Kitty. Ah, Pikachu. Oh my gosh, I love it. I thought I got seven. I think I got 11. Yeah, I got 11. Look at little Snoopy. I can't, I love it. Pikachu again. Ah, Capybara, yes. This guy and this cutie. Okay, so how do these work? What is diamond painting? It's a canvas kit. So it's a canvas. It's hard. It's a little wood piece, and it comes with a kit. Let's open up the kit. And in the kit, you have several diamonds, right? Different colored little like gems. And each package is numbered. And each package is going to correspond, going to correspond to the numbers on the painting. If you can see that, they're so little. But you see the three? So yes, one by one, I'm placing these on this canvas. Now, when I take this plastic off, there's another piece of plastic on top, and this whole thing is sticky. And I'm placing these gems, these diamonds, on here one by one. Crazy, right? I know you would think, oh, that's so tedious. I couldn't do that. But it quiets my mind. I love it so much. And so you also get with the gems, you get this. So you get a tray, the little placement tool. I don't know the official name, and then this little wax thing. Now, when I first did the first one, oh my gosh, I had no idea what I was doing. It didn't come with instructions. And so I was using this to pick up the little diamonds and put them, well, I put the poured the little diamonds into the tray. And then I would use this little tool to pick up the diamond and put it on. Now, I didn't know what this was for, so I just threw it to the side. And I'm like scooping it up and like trying to get it over to the painting, the canvas, and I would drop it on the canvas. It would never fall where I wanted to go, and then I'll have to push it around into place. What I did not know was this piece here is wax, and you take off the cover and then you press this down on it, and that takes some of the wax onto this tool, and then you can easily just press it on the gemstones and it'll pick it up, and then you can just take it and place it exactly where you want it to be. The first one with all these hundreds of gems, I did without the wax. Talk about choosing the hard way. I think that's why it took me like 3 to 4 hours. I think they usually only take maybe definitely a couple hours. It's a lot of gems, but okay, so she's a cutie. But let me show you the ones I did last year. I got 11. Yeah, I didn't realize I got 11. I thought I got 7. But the ones I did last year, and I have them up in my house like art. This one I got from a store here locally. So those are, there's some gems, and then the rest of this is just a picture that was already there. But that one I just got randomly because I just needed a fix. But these are the ones that I like, that the canvas. So all of that, you see that? All those gems, I put those on there. Every single last one by hand. By hand. Yes. Look at this with her little cat and her little shake. I love it. Hey girl. Yes, look at this one. Okay. Isn't she cute? She got little paw hands on. Little paw hands. And a little teddy bear up in the corner. Mm-hmm. And then this one, she got, now I don't know how hygienic this is. She got the little cat in her cup. I don't know about all that, but it's cute still. And then, okay, I got 3 more. Yeah, so that's 1, 2, 3, 7 of those. Isn't she cute? Super cute. Another one with the cat in a cup, but apparently that's a thing. That's a thing. Okay, she's a cutie. Her cat is not in her cup. I appreciate that. Hygiene. Again, all the gems. And then lastly, Pooh, Winnie the Pooh. So cute. He was like one of my, I think he was my first one. He's the one that I made it hard. Didn't use the wax. So yeah, that's my analog hobby. That's the way I decompress in the midst of studying um tech and everything else that I'm working on. It's good to get out. It's good to get my eyes off a screen, right? And so I'm really excited to do these other ones. I don't know, maybe we could do one together. Maybe I should do it live, and maybe we could have a craft day where I get on live here and you can bring whatever craft you want, or you could bring a book. You could bring whatever you want that's not digital, that's analog, right? So you could bring a coloring book with what's those pencils called? Are they coloring pencils? Sounds so weird to me right now. Or crayons. You can bring a book, you can bring knitting, you can bring crochet, you can bring whatever you want that's analog. Maybe we could do that. And then we could just chat it up in the chatty chat. And I'll do a diamond painting and show you how it's done. But it's very straightforward. It's just I didn't know at first. Oh, I'm excited to do this. Yes, yes, yes. But that's my little digital analog hobby. How I decompress my brain and get myself off of a screen. I literally, like I said, once I start going, I can literally go for hours. And so it's a good way, very good way to decompress. What do you like to do to decompress? What do you like to do that's non-screen related, right? Let me know. I'm always up for new ideas. Okay, talk to you later, boo. Ciao.